Can computer be smart enough to replace a human construction planner? Hi, my name is Manjul Hassan. I'm a PG student at the University of Alberta. Through my research, I'm trying to find the answer for this question. In my research, I'm trying to see how a human planner makes planning decisions from the perspective of precast construction operation planning in a factory environment. And I'm trying to come up with an algorithm to capture the knowledge in a virtual platform so that we can use it in future. Let's see why it is crucial to have a robust precast operation plan. Precast products are produced in a factory environment that transported to the site. Therefore, it is very important to deliver this product by the deadline. Let's see what kind of planning operation needs to be done in a precast shop. A precast shop usually handles multiple projects simultaneously. Precast project planners deliver their project detail document to the estimator. Estimator understands the design details, figure out the complexity of each type of product, then translate it into a work content and deliver it to or transfer it to the shop production manager. Shop production managers again see the design details. He knows about the project deadline, when it needs to be delivered. He knows about how much space it will require to produce this product in his shop. He understands the resource requirement and he produces the schedule for production. While doing so, he considers crew job match. That means he wants to assign appropriate crew to the job. Definitely look at the production logic, while his objective is to minimize the crew downtime and definitely maximum utilization of spaces in his shop. The challenges of doing such kind of work is there are a lot of variations. So it's difficult to have a common understanding or common norm to capture all the complexities in single term. Definitely, product sequencing is the key. That means precast products needs to be delivered in a sequential manner. Site client demands lean. Shop production manager wants to avoid idling of products in his shop. Definitely, there is no analytical tool that can give such advantage, such kind of analysis to a managers to produce this plan automatically. And what happens if any rework needs to be done? This whole schedule, this monster needs to be handled like starting from the start all over again. So definitely this work is knowledge intensive. Communication is the key and the process is super manual. So is there any better way that we can do this job? Yeah, I'm trying to develop an algorithm. The objective of the algorithm is to read the product details automatically, estimate the work content, identify the constraint itself, definitely optimize the product or the project schedule within the shop, then definitely visualize the plan in a readable manner. So in summary, I'm trying to capture the knowledge of the project manager, production manager, and the estimator all together in a virtual environment, and I'm calling it a virtual planning assistant. Will help them to generate the plan automatically. Maybe it will not be just one solution, multiple solutions, so that a project manager or production manager who is managing the shop, he will be able to pick one whichever is the most favorable to him. So first I'll be using an NLP algorithm. That means natural language processing algorithm to read the work content and translate this work content into the complexity matrix. Those complexity metrics will help to identify or quantify the work content. the crew information combining with this work content will generate a crew competency matrix. That means which crew is appropriate for which kind of product to produce, and then it will be shifted to a optimization algorithm to find the best possible schedule of the plan. Definitely, end of it, the algorithm will give a very nice project schedule, and it will be translated from the different perspective for different interest group. There will be an agile loop to train the algorithm itself. So whenever when I say like there will be a crew competency matrix, and from the job information, we will define some complexity vectors or complexity variables. At first it will be a case, but over the time, when this kind of job will be done over and over again, those variables will be updated and captured as or stored as knowledge. So if we can do so, end of several round of iteration, we can have a planning assistant that, with the help of this algorithm, that will be able to generate the plan automatically. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.